Okay, good morning
Okay, good morning
everyone. So
everyone.
here I am,
So here
Faustal
I am,
signing
Faustar signing
with the name
with the name
422
422
I'm from
I'm
Robotic
from Robotic
Engineering
Engineering
Morning B.
Morning B.
So here I'm gonna
So
answer
here I'm
the
gonna
annual
answer the
semester
annual
exam,
semester exam,
which there are
which there
four
are four
questions.
questions.
The first
The
question:
first questions:
draw
draw
schematics diagram of
schematics
your
diagram of your
circuits that you use on the
circuits that you
project and
use on the
explain how it
project and
works.
explain how it works.
Okay, so here is
Okay, so
the
here is the
schematic view of
schematic
our
view of
project,
our
of my
project
project.
of my project.
My project is
My
to make
project is to
a
make
prototype
a
of
prototype
parking
of
counter.
parking counter.
So the
So the
circuit starts
circuit
from the
starts from the
positive circuit
positive
is
circuit
powered from
is
5P,
powered
and then it
by
plugs to
P,
the Arduino,
and
which is
then
the
it
main
plugs
microcontroller of our project. And
to
then
the
the power
Arduino,
runs to
which is
actuator such as servo and LCDs. And
the
also
main
there is
microcontroller
a sensor, which
of
ultrasonic sensor.
our project.
So the pins of the sensor, which is trigger and echo, connects to
And
uh,
the
the D8, the ND9, and also the D5 and D6, which is the digital pin of the Arduino. And for the LCD, it connects to the SCL pin and SDA pin from the Arduino. And then here it goes the negative circuit, which is the U1 ground in schematic. And by the way, the sensor too is not actually disconnected from the circuit. We get this schematic from auto generative from Tinkercad. It's more of a drawing issue because the resolution size may be not long enough for the servo 2 to be horizontally aligned with the other components. Okay, next we go to the second question. Identify is there any diode or N transistor on the project? Why the type and explain the function of these components on the project? Well, actually, there are supposed to be diode, which is LED, for our project. But in the end, when in the final benchmark, when the result is was what all there is, we can add the LCD to the circuit because there is a wiring issue. But in our original design here, we have added LEDs, which is green and red LEDs that's connected to D3 and D4 pins, and it function as indicator, uh, quite the same like LCDs. It indicate whether or not the vehicle is entering or exiting the parking slot. But in the end, we can make it to the project. So number three, list all of your secret module on your project and explain the function. Honestly, there is only one circuit module for our project, which is the circuit, the wall parking counter powered by Arduino Uno. There is nothing, there's nothing else, no more circuit. And the last question, identify all of sensor and actuator you use, explain how it works, characteristic, and function. So here we go again. The sensor that we use is ultrasonic sensor HGSR04. It works with sending ultrasonic wave and then it receives the echoes back to count the distance of an object. And the characteristic is the measurement distance is up to 400 centimeters, and it requires no physical context. And the accuracy is quite good. But the problem in our project is the echo. The echo pin is quite overflow, so sometimes
when an object is animate or maybe inanimate, the sensor count the object as unstable, so the reading sometimes invalid. But it depends on the quality and the products. And then for the actuator, we use motor servo and LCD I2C. The motor servo, it works with sending PWM signal from the Arduino and then receive it back to move or to rotate based on the program, which is 19 degrees, 90. Sorry. The voltage of the servo is 5V and the currents run in 100 to 200 microampere. And there's also another one actuator in our project. It is LCD I2C. So like other actuator, it receives from the microcontroller, which is the electrical signal. It shows the data from the Arduino from the I2C. And the characteristic is quite quite versatile and quite tidy for the wiring because it used only SDA and SDL pin from the Arduino, which is the very 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 grouped from other pins in the Arduino. It's on the upper right corner. So when we use LCD I2C, the wiring is quite tidy and clean rather than other actuator and sensor, which sometimes they quite crash each other or what is it, cross each other. And then the function of this LCD I2C is to showcase the status of the parking slot, of how much parking slot is occupied, and whether or not the parking slot is full. Honestly, LCD ICT is our the prominent, the core components of our project because if the LCD ICT didn't work, we cannot know whether or not the servo is receiving signal from the sensors and whether or not the sensor is actually reading the distance. So that is also why we didn't get to use the LEDs, the red and green LEDs, because LCD I2C is resourceful and effective enough for the whole purpose of our project. So here is all the answer from our questions for the question of the final semester project. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. That's all. Thank you.